Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at one of the car meets in the Los Angeles area. This is one of the Origins meets. And the parking lot is full. Let's take a wander around. See what we can find here. And it's so full I had to park across the street in another parking lot. Alright, let's take a look. This is where the big crowd is. Oh, we got a bunch of motorcycles here. Kind of squeezer. Motorcycles over here. A couple Mustangs rolling over there. And a bunch of people gathered around. Oh, there's a couple cars in the middle over here. To my left. Vet rolling in here. This the engine coming out of the hood. Alright, let me see if I can. Oh, there's a couple Lamborghinis in here. McLaren. Mercedes over here. I should switch over to wide angle here maybe. Well, let's see how it goes. Quite the turnout, even considering it's been a little bit of light drizzle. S2000 here. Lots of people lined up to come in. Oh, here comes the vet pulling in here. It's probably going to take a minute or two. Can I get through? Oh, here we go. Sorry guys, it's so crowded. I'm gonna be a little bit slow getting through here. Oh, we got somebody else.
You get a hold of all the cars that are gonna be through stuff. You gotta put the face on the cars.
Oh, is it a G8? I guess, sorry, no, that's a Chevy SS. G8 was the earlier edition. From the Holden cars out in Australia. Let me see if I can get through here. Maybe I just follow the crowd. Lots of cars still driving through. This is actually probably the best place to see what's coming through. Oh, there you go. Now we can kind of have a look at some of the cars coming through. And parked along the side. A little bit better lighting too. Challenger coming through here. Interesting lights on that the white one over there. Now we go Supra. A couple of them there. An S2000 pulling out here. Yeah, just a little bit quieter on this side. People parked just about everywhere. Like I said, it was full when I came in. I ended up parking over other side street. More cars out back. There was an Audi RS3, RS4 probably. BMWs along here. It's kind of cool. And what do we got? Challenger, Supra. see if I can try and upload this video tonight. The Wi-Fi is pretty slow at my hotel, so we'll have to see how long that takes to upload. Z06 Rapid Blue. Wow, that's nice. Oh, looks like the two-stepping has started. Look at all these BMWs lined up here. I feel like I'm back in Germany. And we got another one over here beside the Charger. Got a Civic. A Camaro SS. Very nice. There goes the two-stepper. Alright, well, let's wander around, see if I missed anything, and then probably wrap things up, guys. I'll try and upload this tonight and have it published whenever it finishes uploading. If I can do this as a one take here, then it saves the time trying to edit it. Should be able to get it out same day. Okay, I'm not really any cars down here. Let's go down this aisle straight ahead. It seems like most of the cars are closer to the Best Buy. Another Camaro rolling through. ZL1, very nice. And more BMWs over here. A couple Honda Civics, Vista trucks. Got an Audi right there. Looks like they're getting a little bit more crowded down there. Lexus, is it the 430? SC 430, maybe? Some more cars rolling in here. Everybody seems pretty well behaved, which is nice. On a Prelude, don't see too many of those around. Other side, Charger, BMW, a couple Infinitis. Infinities at the end there.
Yeah. I've seen it sometimes. It's reminding my old one.
Got some Lexus. Supra backing in here. Corvette down there, Cadillac. There you go. Somebody's set up. In case you're hungry, selling some snacks. Oh, there's a. What's that? The Dodge Magnum, the wagon. Haven't seen one of those in a while either. Should we try and go for a walk through here? Yeah, why not, guys? Let's. This is where everybody's coming into. I just maybe go down the sidewalk here. Here's that bed again with all the cool LED lights. What's he got? Oh, he's got lights on the inside too. I think that's most of the show. I'm trying to remember, did we go that far down the other side? Yeah, no, we started at the McDonald's, so I think we covered most of it. And hopefully there's no copyrighted music going, or this will... it won't publish, it'll get flagged. I'll just kind of keep talking over it. Well, here's the Pontiac GTO, which is also another Holden that made it up here. Never made it to Canada though. And maybe if I can go down the other side here. Laser lights on the M4 competition. We have almost 20 minutes here, guys. I think I'll wrap it up shortly. Just kind of give you a sense of some of the nighttime car shows here out in Los Angeles area, Southern California. Yeah, I remember I think this is kind of where we started coming in through here. And is there anything around the corner? No, just some people parked down there. All right, guys. Well, I think that's gonna wrap things up. Try and grab a thumbnail for the video, try and grab a picture somewhere, and then see if I can find maybe some faster Wi-Fi somewhere. Try and get this uploaded tonight. All right, thanks everyone for watching. Just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe. Really helps the channel out. And I will see you guys in the next one.